Yo, what's up YouTube? Welcome back to another video on this channel, man. So I'm going to be showing you how to clear the face real quick. Yeah, so what you gotta do first is press Ctrl J on your keyboard, then name the first layer as M, name the second layer as L, so that you can easily be able to remember. So switch off the first M, select the L, come to filter, go to blur, Gaussian blur, add it to the level you're seeing the photo is losing focus, like around 4.8. Yeah, that's okay. Then come back, press M, go to apply image, select the L, leave the settings the way you're seeing them, press OK. Now come here and create a new layer on the L, then change the M to liner light. Switch off the M, select the mixer brush tool, leave the settings the way you've seen I've set them, then just start brushing. Brush going downwards, because if you go upwards you might spoil the photo. Brush it real quick. So you can come and switch it on to see the difference before and after. Before and after. So keep brushing. Brush until you see like it's looking more nice. Now you can switch it on, press before, after, before, after. So press M, L and the L, select them, merge, go to filter, camera raw filter, then you can come to luminance and hide it, then hide the amount a little bit, then you can see the difference from before and after. Yeah, so that's how you do your photo. If you have got something new there, hit the subscription button and see you on the next video. Yeah.